Okay, hello guys, welcome back. Now we're gonna talk about the environment setup. So the environment setup is a preparation for next week's Learnathon. It's it's about installing the Python IDE and library using and the development tool using PyCharm. So it's quite similar to creating a custom GPT using OpenAI tools, but it's just represented in code. That's the only difference, and we'll be using prompt engineering. So we're gonna use the Apple system and Microsoft. So for the differences, it's actually quite similar. I'm gonna demonstrate in MacBook because I have a MacBook. And so for the differences, I'll tell you guys. It's quite similar. Okay, now we're gonna go through the steps. First of all, we're gonna install the Python. Then we're gonna install the development tool, which is PyCharm, followed by creating a new project in PyCharm. Then we're gonna initialize a virtual environment and upgrading the PIP and setup tools. After that, we're gonna install the passive Python packages, including Gradio and OpenAI. Six, we're gonna get our API key and from the OpenAI platform. Last but not least, we're gonna test the sample code to make sure our environment works. For Jonathan, does it have to be PyCharm? Yes, for the Learnathon, PyCharm is preferred. It's better to use PyCharm. But we're gonna go through the entire process from downloading. Okay, so this lead us to step one, which is installing the Python. So can everyone go to this URL, python.org/downloads. I'm gonna put it in the chat. We're not actually gonna code in the Python. It's just for preparation for the Learnathon. Okay, I believe you guys are all on this page. Now click download Python 3.12.3, which is the latest version. Go ahead and click that. It will start downloading. If mine had downloaded, I'll give you guys 1 minute to do that. If you have any questions, feel free to put in the chat or raise your hand. For Li Yang, you already installed Python? Okay, so you can just follow us. For Andrew, you open. Okay, so for Andrew, you've already downloaded, so just wait on that step. We're gonna start in just a sec. Okay, once we've downloaded, we're gonna go ahead and open the downloaded file. It should lead you to this page. Go ahead and click continue, continue, and agree. Agree to the license, and go ahead and install it. Click this button because I already have one installed, so I'll leave you guys to that step. I'll give you guys 2 minutes to do that. So once you've installed it, it's all set. And you can put done in the chat, please. Thank you. Okay. Evan and Andrew are done. Nelson's also done. Melinda is also done. Okay, assume everyone's done. Now we're gonna move on to step 2, which is downloading and installing PyCharm. So we're gonna go to this link, JetBrains/PyCharm. I'll put it in the chat as well. For Jordan, you don't know how to do Python, it's all right because you will learn intermediate.
Sorry, Legend, you need to go to the main room to teach all the guys for setup environment.
Oh,
So
okay.
everybody go to the main room. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna restart the environment setup. So as I mentioned before, the environment setup is a preparation for next week's Learnathon event. We're gonna install the Python development tool and library. We're gonna have two platforms, which is MacBook and Microsoft. I'm gonna demonstrate using the Apple system, but it's quite similar to Microsoft, and I'll point out the differences. So it's quite similar to the OpenAI's custom GPT, but it's just represented in code. Okay, so here's the steps to set up the environment. So first of all, we're gonna install the Python, then followed by installing the Python IDE, which is PyCharm. Then after that, we're gonna create a new project in PyCharm. Then we're gonna initialize a virtual environment and upgrade the PIP and the packages. Step 5 is to install Python packages. In our case, is Gradio and OpenAI. After that, we're gonna learn how to create and get our API key. Last but not least, we're gonna test a sample code to make sure our environment works. Okay. So this is step 1. We're gonna go to this link, python.org/downloads. I popped in the chat. For Terrence, we haven't got to that step yet. If you already have a PyCharm, it's fine. You don't have to install it again. So it will lead you to this page. Go ahead.
我来试，你渴了，渴了，渴了。
You please mute yourself. Okay, so now click the download button to download the Python. Okay, I'll give you guys 1 minute to do that. Okay. Now you're gonna open the file you just downloaded. it should lead you to an installer. Now just keep clicking continue, agree to everything, agree. Then we're gonna install the package. I'll let you guys do this step because I already have my Python installed. So go ahead and click install and you're all set. We won't be needing this tool today. It's mainly preparation for the learnathon.
I pressed download Python, but now it says upgrade to Python 3.12.3 64-bit.
Do you
Well-
already have one downloaded?
Well, I do have PyCharm.
No, I
But-
mean for Python.
I don't have Python.
So, yes, it would be good to download the latest version.
I pressed download Python 3.12.3.
Yeah, yeah,
So I download that one?
yeah. You're on this page, right? Download this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, Li Yang.
Okay, so
Yo.
so now what do I press? Because like this is upgrade to Python 3.12.3 64-bit. Select upgrade now. Keep your current settings or choose customize to enable or disable features. Upgrade now, blah blah blah. Customize.
Don't upgrade. Don't upgrade.
So just customize installation?
Wait, do you want to share your screen?
Okay.
Li Yang will get to you in a sec.
Okay, one sec. Okay, so I'll just press this.
Yeah,
This is the third time I did it. I'll
Okay.
just press this. And I don't have anything that says Python, I only have PyCharm.
I can see the open installer.
What?
Can you share your whole desktop? Because I can only see the browser.
Well, I'm in the Python website right now.
Yeah, can you open the thing you just installed?
Okay,
You just opened, downloaded.
this.
When you click open file, I can't see the thing you opened. It's because you only shared the Chrome.
I don't think I can do anything more because
You
this is
share the whole desktop. I think you're just sharing the app.
Wait, let me check. I think this is the only way it can do. Like, this is the only way it can do it.
But I
Oh.
can't. I can only see this. I can only see the python.org, the website.
I know, but like, I don't think it can do anything else. Like, if I press
What's your version? It's 3.12, right?
3.12.3, this is what it says.
Okay, then open the thing you downloaded.
Like, it just says upgrade now and or cancel. It says upgrade now and it says stop it under it says customize installation.
Yeah,
So which one do I press?
just upgrade.
Okay.
Never mind.
I already
Never mind, it's fine. It's fine. Can you
was
show your PyCharm?
okay. This is my PyCharm. I'm just doing this project right now. Like I'm working on it,
Check
but
your Python version in PyCharm.
what?
Check your Python version in your PyCharm.
Okay, one sec. I don't think I only have this like this free version. I don't have this. Like I only
Fred,
have
can you share your whole desktop? I can only see your browser. Unshare and share again.
stop share. Okay, I'll share again. So this is my PyCharm.
There we go. Okay, it's Python 3.12, so yeah, you're good to go.
Okay. Okay, so I don't think I need the others then.
So once you've installed that, now we're gonna move on to step 2, which is downloading and installing PyCharm. If you already have PyCharm, you can just follow us and not install it again. So you're gonna go to this link and download PyCharm. I'll put it in the chat. Okay,
妈妈，
can you guys all see the link?
什么？
Yeah.
你做完了第一个，
没呢？
Okay, I think you guys have all opened that. So here, click download. Right here, click download. You will see 2 versions, PyCharm Professional. Don't download the one on top because it's not free. Scroll down and find the community edition and make sure to select the community edition and download it. And then go ahead and click download. PyCharm's important tool for the learnathon. We'll be using it a lot to do prompt engineering stuff. I'll give you guys 2 minutes to do that. If you have any questions, please raise your hand or put it in the chat. Thank you. Mine had downloaded. Okay, once you finish downloaded, go ahead and open PyCharm installer and just simply drag it over to your applications. Because I already have one installed, I'm gonna skip this step. Go ahead and do that. I'll give you guys 1 minute to do so. For Johnson, can you say what's the most recent step? So we're downloading PyCharm right now. Click the link I sent in the chat, jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Go there and click download, then scroll down and select and download the community edition. Okay, I assume you guys are basically done. Now we're gonna move on to step 3, creating a new project. Now go ahead and open PyCharm. So Vivian, your scene's not downloading. It might just because of the internet's kind of slow, and PyCharm's a big file. It might take a while. Okay, once you've opened this PyCharm, it should lead you to this page. If you just installed it, there should be no projects. So we're gonna create a new one right now. So you will see the new project button right here. Go ahead and click that. It should lead you to this page to generate new. If you're already on this page, wait here and we'll give you guys 1 minute to do so. You know what? We're gonna wait here for 3 minutes because some of your PyCharm's not downloading. For Stephen, Justin, and Vivian, is your scene downloading now? Yeah, it's kind of slow. We'll give you guys 1 more minute. You know what? I'm gonna go through the new project step again. So once you open it, it should lead you to this page and just click new project in here. Okay, now we're on step 3. We're creating a new project. So go ahead and name your project DIY Learnathon. Because I already have one the same name, I'm gonna add 4 underscore. Please type done in the chat if you're done this step. You've already renamed it. For Lian, you name it DIY Learnathon. Vivian, do you want to share your screen? Okay, go to top left and click File. Yeah, New Project. Yeah, so that's the right one. Rename the highlight portion to DIY Learnathon. It's because you already have a file, so it opens it automatically. Wait, don't delete the whole thing. It's a location of your file. Command Z, Control Z. Yeah. Yeah, just rename the selected portion. Okay, if you already name it DIY Learnathon, go to custom environment and make sure the environment it generated a new environment. Right here. Generate new. If you've done that, go to the bottom right section and click create. It should lead you to a new project. And please wait here. And also type done in the chat if you're done. For Steven, yours is still downloading. Are you sure you downloaded the right one? Is it a community edition? It might just be slow. You know what, Steven? When you want to download it, we're gonna catch you up. So for now, you can just follow us. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, assume you guys are all on this page. We've created a new project. Now we're gonna create new directories and files under the new project, DIY Learnathon. So we go back to our PyCharm page. Right click DIY Learnathon and click new directory. And do that again. Right click, new directory. And name it test, T-E-S-T. Name it test. I'll give you guys 1 minute to create this. Okay, I assume you guys are done. Johnson, your interface doesn't have the drop down on the Learnathon folder. Can you share your screen? Jonathan? Yeah, so you already created one. Okay, now let's create a new Python file under test. So go ahead and right click test, new Python file. I'll do it again, right click test, new Python file. Go ahead and name it workshop.py. Workshop.py. I'll put in the chat. Workshop.py.
Wait, how do you do it again? Can you do it again?
Yeah. So you basically two finger click if you're a Mac, or right click test the folder we just created. Right click, go to new, the fifth one down, Python file. Got it?
What's the name?
Workshop.py. workshop.py. I'll give you guys 1 minute to do that. Also, if you're done, type down in the chat, please. Andrew's down. Then Vivian, Evan, Zachary, Yushin. Okay. Okay, now we move on to the next step, which is initializing the virtual environment. So we're basically upgrading the existing packages of this project. So we head back to our PyCharm. On the bottom right of your page, you're gonna see Python 3.12 DIY Learnathon in brackets right here. Go ahead and click that button. And you should see interpreter setting button and click that. It should lead you to this page. Is everyone here?
Can you say it again?
Yeah.
Wait, what do you do again? I didn't.
Yeah, I'm gonna show it again. So basically go to the bottom right, you're gonna see Python 3.12 DIY Learnathon, right? This button right here. Click that. You
Okay.
should see interpreter setting, and go ahead and click that, and there you go. The settings section.
Which one should we add, like for the interpreter?
We're not there yet, so select PIP if you're a Mac, and if you are Windows,
Oh.
everything in this section, and click the upgrade button.
Okay.
Go ahead and upgrade that. It should be version 24 to be the latest version. If you're done, please type down in the chat, please.
How do you upgrade?
So you basically select your package and click the upgrade button. Done. Nelson, Zachary, Azalea are done. For Riley, what do you do for Windows? You might see several packages here. Just upgrade everything you see. For Andrew, you can't press the upgrade button. It's probably because it's already the latest version. For Zachary,
Mine says nothing to show on everyone.
did you press the plus button? Well, you're on this page, right?
Yeah.
That's weird. Hmm. Try. Press OK and open this page again. Just OK and open that again.
It's still the same.
For Zachary, it's fine. If you have one, it's fine. It's PIP, right? Yes, so you're good. Okay. Now we've added upgraded PIP. Now we're gonna install the Gradio and Python packages. Now we go on the setting page again. You're gonna find a plus button beside the upgrade button right here. Go ahead and click that. If it doesn't show anything, click the refresh button. It's right beside the search column. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the chat or raise your hand. Okay, if you're on this page, go ahead and search up Gradio, Gradio. Yeah, I can repeat this step again. So okay, so for Hanson, I'm gonna show you the workshop.py again. So go to the test file you just created, right click that and click new Python file.
Where do you find test?
Okay, thank
Test, it's a folder you created. So to create the folder, you right click DIY4Youth, a new directory, which creates a new folder, and name it test. And you create a Python file under test. Okay, and now I'm gonna repeat the upgrading process again. So in your interpreter settings, you should see a plus button right here. Right here. Don't know if you can see it. For Weezer, how do you get to the settings? So you go to the bottom right. You should see Python 3.12 DIY Learnathon in brackets right here. Click that. There should be lots of stuff here. Click interpreter settings and you'll have it open. Okay. Now if you open this page and you're on the available package, you've pressed the plus button. Should lead you to this page. Search up Gradio, Gradio. Install this one. Click install. If it doesn't show up, just refresh the page. Reload list of packages. Where's the plus button? Have you upgraded the PIP? Okay, so once you open this, you should see only a few packages here, including PIP, right? So upgrade all of them. Just select them and click the upgrade button. Yeah. Reason you should only see 1 or 2 or 3. For Li Yang, where do you find the available package? So you basically, you know where the upgrade button, right? You click plus, it's right beside that. And it should lead you to the available packages page. I'll give you guys 2 minutes to finish installing the Gradio. For reason, yeah, you're right. You upgraded VIP. If you're done, if you're already installed Gradio, type done in the chat. You guys are fast. Riley, yeah, it might take a while. Gradio is a really big package. Reason, yeah, that's the way you spell it. Gradio. So Gradio basically helps with the prompt engineering. It's sort of like OpenAI.
We install Gradio, right? Install
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll give you guys 1 more minute. Okay. Steve, yours finished downloading. Yeah, so go ahead and install it and open it. Steven, do you want to share a screen? And I'll help you. You've downloaded the PyCharm start menu folder. Can you close the tab you're on right now? Open PyCharm again. Next. 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 Yeah, install. So open it after you installed it. Okay. So now we're gonna install OpenAI. So it does the prompt engineering to make a more like a GPT. So we go back to the same place to you click the button and open interpreter settings. This is the page you should be on right now. Click plus, install new, install. And search up OpenAI. 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 Go ahead and install that. I'll give you guys a few minutes to do that. Yes, Hanson.
For me, it says, it's Python 3.10.
Yeah, that's perfectly fine.
Isn't it supposed to be like 3.12?
It's fine.
Okay.
If it's 3.9, 10, 11, 12, it's all okay. For Andrew, you can't search it up. Refresh the page. There's a refresh button next to the search column. Think that may work. Yeah. Android, definitely. Steven, yeah, you can share after. Yeah, interpreter setting. Wait, no. That's not the right place. Go back to the interpreter setting. Click the plus button. Plus. New install. That's where you search it. OpenAI. Steven, you can share screen. Okay, click new project. It's in the middle. Steven. New project. Yeah. Name it DIY Learnathon. DIY Learnathon. And click custom environment on right. Yeah, it's good. And click create. It's all good. Yes, generate new environments. It's all correct. Yep. You can create. Okay, you created your project. It might take a while to load. Okay. So right click DIY Learnathon. Yep. New on top one, new, the third one down, directory. Name it test, TEST. Yes. Yep, now you have a folder, right click the folder. Go new, fifth one down, Python file. Yes. Name it workshop.py. Workshop.py. Yes. Okay. No, I think yours is indexing right now. You might want to wait for it to finish indexing before upgrading any more stuff. You know what? It's fine. Just go to bottom right of your window. Click Python 3.12. DI. Yep. Python 3.12. Yeah, interpreter setting. And select PIP. And click the upgrade button. Right on top. No, the upgrade. Yeah. Yes. It should upgrade to version 24. Might take a while. Okay, it's successfully upgraded. Click the plus button. Yeah. Search up Gradio. Gradio. Try clicking the refresh button. Yeah, install that one. Yes. Click install package. Might take a while. And after you install this, search up OpenAI and install that one as well. I think you gotta wait for this to be done first. I'll stop your sharing. After you've installed Gradio, you should install the OpenAI. Can you please type done if you're done installing OpenAI and Gradio, both packages. For Fred, you're closed for some reason. Fred, can you stay for Q&A and we'll help you? So for now, you can just follow my step. Oh, you reopened it. Okay. So we're all good. Okay, once you've installed OpenAI, then you're all set for the environment setting. Now we're gonna create and access our API key. So go to this. So for this step, you can just watch. It's optional. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you can just follow us. You just gotta know the process because we will use this for the learn-a-thon, but it's not mandatory for today. So it's optional. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to do that. So first of all, we go to platform.openai./API keys. it goes on your OpenAI platform. I think you gotta log in if you're not. Click create new secret key and name it whatever you want, test. I'll name it test 1. Okay. Hanson, yeah. So this is optional. This for accessing API key, it's optional. You can just watch. If you want to do it, you're welcome to do it. So name it test project's default permissions.
You don't have to do this, right?
Yeah, you don't have to.
Uh,
Well, if you want to do it, you're always welcome to do it. So then you can create secret key. Note that this is the only chance you'll be able to view it. You will not be able to view it again when you click done or close this tab. So you gotta put it somewhere safe. So I'll copy it and put it somewhere. So I'll just put it here for now. So that's how you create your secret key. Please type done in the chat if you understand the process.
Wait, what do I press? Like, R restricted or read only?
Sorry, do you want to share your screen?
Okay. Okay, so wait,
You choose all
Like-
for permission.
all?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Don't close this one yet, because that's the only time you can access your secret key.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna move on to the next step, which is testing our work. So let's head back to PyCharm to work and open workshop.py. So put in the 2 lines of code link, put it in. For Azalea, what do you mean the last step? Azalea, can you stay for the Q&A after we're done this? Okay, so I put 2 lines of code in the chat. From OpenAI, import OpenAI, import Gradio as GR. Go ahead and paste that in workshop.py. It should look like this. Once you've done that, find the run button on the near the top right corner of your screen and click run. I'll give you guys a few minutes to do this. After it had run, you should see this result. Process finished with exit code 0. That means your Gradio and OpenAI packages are working perfectly okay. For Andrew, yes, I can. So basically you just open workshop.py and put these 2 lines of code in here and run it. So the run button's up there. See if I can annotate. Right here. If you come across any errors, please put it in the chat or raise your hand. Reezer, you don't have to put the secret key in the workshop. You don't have to put the secret key in here. So for the secret key process, it's just for learning how to access it. It's for the learnathon. It's just a setup. So in the Python file, you just put in the 2 lines of code. Yes, Reezers, yeah, so for these 2 lines of code, these 2 lines of code has nothing to do with the API key. Once we put a bit more code in there and give it a purpose, we will need our API key because it's linked up with OpenAI. You need the API key in order to link them together. But for now, we're not running and we're technically not running anything, so we don't really need the API key for now. Azalea, do you want to share your screen? Unused import statement. Zachary, for the API, can you stay for the Q&A? We can help you during that section. Azalea, can you also stay for the Q&A? What code did you put in? Because it's case sensitive. If you accidentally put like lowercase or uppercase, it will say an error. Yes, Hanson?
If you run the code and it says process finish with exit code zeros, does that
Yes,
mean
it's
run?
right.
Okay.
It's right. Doesn't he have any more questions or issues with running the code? If not, I'm gonna invite our president, Sophie, to do the closeout and introduce our next steps.
All right, thanks, Legend. And thanks, Menu and Legend, for a really great workshop. We hope you've all learned something new today. So as we draw to a close, I really just want to thank each and every one of you for your dedication, for your active participation, and for your patience throughout this workshop. You've taken the first steps today towards something really remarkable. You're starting to create solutions to real-world problems through using prompt engineering, AI, and collaboration. If you still have questions, or if you're still confused, or if you still want to learn more, make sure to come to the Learnathon next weekend, where we will re-explain and go more in depth into using Python for your GPT. So in terms of teams for the hackathon, you should have either filled out the Google form or had your parents sign up for the hackathon on WeChat for you. We'll also probably send out another form to ensure your information. Based on those responses, we'll assign your hackathon teams shortly. And a lot of our communication for this will be based in our Discord server, so make sure to join it if you haven't already. We'll send out the link in chat. Once you have your teams, you can start brainstorming some ideas for the hackathon, applying what you've learned today from your instructors. But overall, thank you so much for being here. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them now.
Yeah, Zachary, what's your issue? Do you want to share your screen? Oh, okay. I'll just show you the process again. Okay, Azalea, I'll also show you the API key. I'll do it right now. Okay, so basically we're gonna just go to platform.openai.api keys. You can just watch this. It's not mandatory. It's optional. So this is just for the learn-a-thon. We won't be needing the API key for today. You just have to know how to access and create one. So you basically, I'll delete. So you basically just create new secret key, name it whatever you want. In my situation, I'm gonna name it testing. Yeah, like that. The permission set you all and default project. And we'll just simply click create. Then we just create a
哦，有
secret
turn
key.
off 了。
对，你这边灯哦。
Okay, so that's the only time you'll be able to access your key. So you gotta save it. You gotta save your key. So copy it and put it somewhere safe. I'll put it here. Yeah. For Henson, how do you know if your things tested successful? If you run your code and the result is, let's see, process finished with exit code 0, it means your thing's working. Your packages are all set up properly and you're good to go. Does anyone have any questions?
For the hackathon teams, if you've already built a team with some friends or some partners, just stay within that team, and you can keep it for the hackathon. We'll send out a form later, just making sure what everyone's preferences are.
Okay, for Steven, how do you run it? So basically after you put in the code, you go on the top banner, you go on the right, there's like a triangle thingy. That's the run button. I don't know if you can see on my screen right here. Annotate. Right here. Maria, you're welcome. Thanks for coming. If your code is working and packages are all inserted properly, you're done. Bye. Thanks for coming.
So wait, so my PyCharm closed and I reopened it now. What do you do, please?
Can you share your screen?
Okay.
Your whole desktop, please.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, right click Python project 2,
Okay.
new directory.
Okay, directory.
Yeah, and name it test.
Test. Okay.
Enter. Yep. Now right click test. new Python file. Name it workshop.py.
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 Okay.
Workshop.py. Yep. Wait, py, not poi. Wait, I'll put it in the chat. Workshop.py. Just p and y.
Okay, thanks. I guess wait, what?
Python file? No, not directory.
Okay.
New Python file? Yeah. Workshop.py. Shop dot py. Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Okay,
No.
so no interpreter. That's weird. Click no interpreter on the bottom right.
And then interpreter.
Interpreter setting. Nothing to show. Okay. Click add interpreter. See if that works.
Wait,
Oh,
add
yeah.
interpreter? Wait, so I just press this and I just put
No, on the right. Bottom, I mean, go up a little bit to the right.
here.
Can I request a remote control? I'm gonna try this, see if it works. Add local interpreter. No. You see the problem is you don't have a virtual environment folder.
Okay.
That's weird. Do you wanna try creating a new one
Okay.
project? Hmm. There we go. New project. Here rename it DIY learners. Wait, what? Can you name it DIY learners on?
Okay. Wait, is it DIY Learnathon?
Yeah.
Oh. What?
DIY learners on.
That thing just moved around.
Wait, generate new. Did you rename it yet?
What?
I don't think you have renamed it yet. Can you rename it? Name it DIY learners on.
Wait, I think I moved it after I think I need to. Wait, how do you move this thing back? Oh, okay. But you can't change the name. Like when I try to type, it won't say anything. Like it won't.
Try again.
Oops. Wait, so. Wait, so. Yeah, it's not working. This is
Then
something
just create.
nice.
Just create.
Roblox, what the? Okay, so I can't change anything. Like it won't let me write.
Just click create.
Furthers. Okay. So this window or new window?
This
Okay.
window. Wait for it to do that. Also for everyone else, if you doesn't have any question and your code's working, you can leave this meeting. Still running. Why is it installing Python? So it's creating a virtual environment right now. There you go. So it's working. See on the left, you see there's a virtual environment. Now do this, repeat the same step and create new directory in Python project 6. Yeah. Right click, new directory, name it test. Name it test.
What? New directory. Why in the world is it opening files?
Is your keyboard not working?
when I press T, it just opens files for some reason.
Just write a random
It
word,
won't type.
right? Folder.
Folder?
No, write anything in there. Put a letter or something. See if it works.
Like it won't even type.
It won't even type?
Like if I press D, it just takes me out.
Oh,
And then if I press Q, it just does this. And after W, it does this. After T, it opens files again.
are you holding down control or something? Because it's like it's like a shortcut right now.
Wait, I'm not holding out control now. Let me try again.
Click shift, control.
Um,
No.
Shift, control. 13. Yeah, it's not working.
Okay, I can
Like TEST, it just does this.
let me Oh,
Okay, I
mine
guess.
seem to work.
Okay, mine's not working.
Okay,
Okay.
so basically you just go to bottom right. You see where I'm at?
Yes.
Interpreter setting. So because you have a virtual environment right now, you have the interpreter. So we're gonna go ahead and simply upgrade that. Hmm. Okay, successfully upgraded. Now we're gonna install Gradio. Yep, that's Gradio. Might take a while. Installing. So it might just because of your keyboard. Now we're gonna install OpenAI as well. Yeah, install.
Save.
Oh, there we go. Finally. So it's all installed. I'm gonna stop remote control. I'll send the 2 lines of code to you through the chat. And you're gonna test it. Just you find 2 lines of code. Just paste it from the chat.
Okay.
Wait, actually don't run it now. It's still installing Gradio.
Okay.
You can put it in here if you want. Just don't run it first. Import OpenAI is capitalized O and AI. Yep. Import Gradio. GR. Okay, just wait for a sec. Still loading.
Yeah, maybe this computer just old or something.
Yeah, it might be a little bit slow. Almost done.
Okay, is updating skeletons, whatever that means.
Mm. It's almost there.
Oh,
Okay, go
okay,
ahead
so
and run it.
okay, run workshop, blah 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 blah. It doesn't say anything else.
Still running. Yes,
Oh,
that's right. Yeah, it's working.
okay. So that's it.
Yeah, good job.
Okay, thank